Hey guys, welcome back to Choo Choo Park. Now it's been a little bit since I did the Jack Link's Taco Flavored Doritos beef stick. And in that video I mentioned I haven't had Taco Flavored Doritos this millennium. If I did, it was when I was a kid back in the 90s probably. But we can fix that because I found these. Now, it's not like the same exact, I don't think it's the same. Found these at a late night loaded taco. So we're going to try these. They smell interesting. And here we go. They're actually pretty good. I like them. Wow. Probably not going to be my favorite flavor. That's probably always going to be spicy nacho Dorito. But over like the normal nacho cheesier or the Cool Ranch, yeah, I'd probably take these over those. You know, I'm actually getting like the flavor of what's that? I'm getting the flavor of sour cream actually. That's nice. It's definitely not like street taco flavor, but definitely good. Definitely worth having. I would give those a solid. I'd give those a solid 7.5 out of 10. Really good. Again, they're not spicy nacho Doritos, but they got some good flavor to them. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you'd be so kind. If you think there's something I should try, put it down in the comments below. And until next time, have a good day. Bye.